Now, I am going to dictate a legal passage at the rate of 160 words per minute based on latest Supreme Court judgment. Let's start. The petitioners claiming to be the social activists have filed the present petition under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, seeking various directions against the states and union territories to formulate a scheme to implement the concept of community kitchens to combat hunger, malnutrition and starvation and the deaths resulting thereof. The petitioners have also sought direction against the National Legal Services Authority to formulate a scheme in order to further the provisions of Article 50 within bracket 1 with A of the Constitution, as also against the central government to create a national food grid beyond the scope of the public distribution scheme. This court, by the order dated 27/10/2021, had directed the Union of India to interact with the concerned stakeholders for consideration of the community kitchen scheme or any other similar schemes relating to community kitchens which are already in operation in different states. Subsequently, also various others were orders were passed by the court directing the states to attend the meeting managed by the Union of India for exploring the possibility of framing up of the community kitchen scheme. The states in their respective affidavits had also stated that there were no deaths reported due to starvation or malnutrition. The Union of India has also submitted that the government is committed to focus on combating hunger and malnutrition by implementing various schemes though the state governments to enhance the food security. As per the submission, the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana was launched to address economic disruption and is extended to free grain provision to Antodoya Anna Yojana and priority household to alleviate poverty burdens. Atmanirbhar Bharat package allocated additional food grain for margins during the COVID-19 crisis. Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman scheme aims to improve nutrition among school students and accordingly allocates food grains scheme for adolescent girls. Focus says to improve the health and nutrition of adolescent girls aged 11 to 18 years. Annapurna scheme provides indigent senior citizens with free food grains. The advisories are being issued from time to time to include millets and to widen nutritional standards to enhance the nutrition levels amongst the beneficiaries. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that undoubtedly the Union of India and the states have taken the steps to combat hunger, malnutrition and starvation by implementing various central and state government schemes. However, according to them, even if the hunger, malnutrition or starvation may not necessarily result in death, the central and states have the constitutional duty to ensure basic sustainability of human life. The learned ASG, Mr. R. Bala, submitted that this being not an adversarial litigation, the details of schemes, programs, policies and other measures taken by the central government and the state governments have been submitted to satisfy the concerns of the court that they have successfully implemented the schemes for protecting the fundamental rights of the citizens. He also submitted that there is no further need for content monitoring by this court. It is significant to note that though the Constitution of India does not explicitly provide for right to food, the fundamental right to life enshrined in Article 21 of the Constitution does include right to live with human dignity and right to food and other basic necessities. The Article 47 of the Constitution also provides that the state shall regard the raising of the level of nutrition and the standard of living of its people and the improvement of public health as among its primary duties. Keeping in view the goal of eradicating extreme poverty and hunger as one of the goals of United Nations and keeping in view the Constitution guarantees for ensuring food security of the people as also for improving the nutritional status of the population, especially of women and children, the Parliament has enacted the National Food Security Act 2013 within bracket for short NFSA. Stop. Thank you.